Hi girls, today we're going to look at how we use Pythagoras' theorem to solve word problems. So we're applying Pythagoras' theorem to problems in the real world. We're going to have a look today at this problem here, where a shed with two walls of length 3 meters and 7 meters has a sloping 10-meter roof, and we need to find out the distance between the two walls. So if I get a question like this, the first thing I would do is try to draw a picture of the problem. Step 1 here. So let's have a look at the picture that corresponds to the information that I've been given. A shed with two walls of length 3 meters and 7 meters. So this wall's 3 meters, this wall's 7 meters. It has a sloping roof, and the sloping roof is 10 meters long. And what we're being asked to find is how long is this length here between the two walls. So at first glance it doesn't look like a right angle triangle problem that I could use Pythagoras for. Oh, there goes Bill. But what I can do to turn it into a right angle triangle problem is to put in a new line. So I'm going to put in a line. Let's make it a green line so you know that I drew it. I'm going to put in a line across there, and that line is parallel to the ground, and it's perpendicular to this wall here. So go straight across from the top of that wall over to the long wall. So I've got my right angle triangle right there. This is it here. I'll draw the little box so that we can recognize it. So the question now turns into a right angle triangle problem where I'm trying to find the length of this side here in green. And I know the length of the hypotenuse. What about this length here? How could I find that? Well, this length here is going to be the 7 meters minus 3 meters. So just that top pit is going to be 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4 meters. So I have a right angle triangle. I know the long side, the hypotenuse. I know one of the short sides. This length here is 4 meters. So I can go ahead and solve the question. What kind of question is it? Well, it's a find the short side question. So the formula I would use is a squared equals c squared minus b squared from last lesson. So if we go ahead and do that, hang on.